Welcome again. Today we are going to see how these color values are used in HTML actual code. Okay, so as you can see in the preview tab, we have here the three main headings. So we are going to use borders. So one common use case is setting border colors for elements. Like you can set the color of the borders using any of the color specification methods we have discussed. Let me show you some examples. For example, if you write the style attribute, then you write here the border value, and if we write here 2px, as you can see, then if we write here the solid tomato, okay, if I write here solid tomato, then you can see you are creating a heading with a 2 pixel wide solid border in the color tomato. So here we are using the color name method. So in the second example, if you write here style attribute and then you write here the border and then you write 2px as this one, then you write here solid, and if you write here the dodger blue, so in this way you get the same border style but in the dodger blue color. Okay, so and if you write h1 and here you write here style attribute, then you write border and you write here 2px, then you write solid violet. Okay, let me write here solid. So in this way you get a violet colored border. Notice these patterns here. In each case we are using inline CSS with the style attribute. So the border property takes three values: the width 2px, the style solid, and the color tomato, and in the second dodger blue, and in the third violet. So you could just as easily use RGB hex HSL, RGBA or HSLA values instead of color names. So for example, if we use uh, let me write here another example like h1, and I'm gonna write here the style attribute, and I'm gonna write here border, for example, border, then I write here 2px, then if I write here RGB, okay, and I write here 255, then 99, then 71. So in this way it would give you exactly the same result, like if I write here close this tag, and I write here the border with the uh, orange shadow. In this way you can create borders. So in the previous videos and in this video we learned about how to use the inline CSS to uh, change the background of the text and to give borders to the text. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, this complete tutorial. I hope you now have a complete understanding of how to use HTML colors. So practice using these different color methods in your projects, and you will soon develop an intuition for which method works best in different situations. So understanding HTML colors is fundamental to creating beautiful, engaging websites. Each color specification method has its strengths, and professional web developers use all of them depending on the situation. So, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.